I'm gonna go and explain to you and also what I got. And having this action, Osmo action, for a while now. When this thing first came out, I did not buy it. I actually bought this when about 2 months after it was released. The reason why I got this a little bit later because I already know that it's not gonna be the way I want it to be, the way it works. And the reason I'm saying that because in this firmware update, and I was just looking at other issues out there, and a lot of people has issue with the screen, the front screen, fogging it all up. But for mine, I have no issue with that. It's just dirty right now, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. You know, I'm a guy that I'm always in extreme sports and all that kind of stuff, and I need something that robust that's gonna go on water or it can handle pretty much anywhere else that I need to go. And having this is great. I enjoyed it. And then after that, you guys see DJI released this Mobile 3. I actually had the previous Mobile 3. I'm sorry, Mobile 2. And I like everything about it, you know. It's just the only reason why I don't really like about it because it was just like this. And I'm just tired of bringing a big case. You know, I just want to pocket everything down, you know. So when this Osmo Mobile came out, I actually liked it, you know, for the way it's capable of doing. It needs more firmware update, I'm sure. Some of you guys probably still waiting for that because, you know, I'm not going to say it's perfect yet because this one just came out like what 2 months from now, so maybe DJI is gonna do a more firmware update on this, and it's still I actually like it. It's something different. I like the gesture mode, and I also discussed it to you guys that there's some things missing here. So I went to the website and look around. And you know what DJI is, the ecosystem, it's like you have the drones, you have the rover, you have the Rover Master, and you just like say to yourself, oh, okay, something is missing out here. So I look around on the website and I got this. All this are accessories. The reason why I'm saying accessories because you guys won't believe how much I got this for. I actually got this Osmo Pocket for $200. This is not brand new, this is used. But when this one first came out, I actually enjoyed it. It do scores. The only thing that I had issue with it is focus. And DJI fixed all the issue with firmware updates. And of course, when this thing was out for a while, and the Osmo Action was released. And I said to myself, man, you know, I'm a water guy. I need something that is action. You know, I'm always in the water. I'm always in extreme environment. But anyway, so I got this for $200. DJI is still selling this for like, what, $350 with some accessories or something like that, some extras. But I got this to simple to how you call this. I just searched the web and I just went to like Craigslist and somewhere in my area, and someone's actually selling this for $200. So I went out there and got this, and you guys can't believe it, man, and even myself, how pristine it is. So they bought this, and apparently they're just one of those people that, wow, it looks cool, I want to try it out. And they know, like, they probably never know how to use this kind of stuff, you know, so they decided to sell it. So I got this for $200. It's in pristine condition. And what it has, you still have the USB-C for the, I call this, for the Android version. But the good thing, they have the iOS for the iPhone device, the lightning cable. And it has all this. So I'm surprised, you know. If it doesn't come with this one, it would be mad to me because I already knew I can still use my Osmo Action cord if I need to. But anyway, so I got this for $200, and I'm just looking around in the website, and oh, they also gave me SD card also. They give me extra 32 gig SD card. Hey, you know, for $200, that's not bad. And everything works. Everything's fine on it. I had no issue with it. Just testing all out, and it's fine. So if you know what you're doing, you can actually go to your nearest your location and just look around, man. You never know what's gonna pop up, you know. You probably get a better deal, and you already know this guy is actually better now than ever been before. And I'm gonna go ahead and also went to a website, and so this is $200 with the accessories. Is actually less than a brand new one, and I'm gonna go ahead and explain that to you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this here for now, and I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. Okay. So I have action cameras already, and I also have the Osmo mobile. So, and now I just got myself an Osmo Pocket. So I said to myself, what is it that I can actually get for this guy that also gonna work on my action, also gonna work on my mobile? So just look around. For the whole price of all this, I actually got more than I expected. So I wanna go ahead and explain it to you guys really quick over here. So I got all this around almost the same price as the brand new Osmo Pocket, actually more what I got for. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in for now. So I got this right here. You can get this for what? $70 something, 79 in Amazon. Okay. And then I got this guy here that you can put all your kit. And also you can put your filter, all that kind of stuff for $16. You probably get it cheaper if you look around. And I got this wild angle. You know, this the bad thing about this one right here, it doesn't give you the wild angle. But now you can get this one here. I mean, I do look at around the other website out there, but the reason why I did not get this, there's some certain ones out there online that you can get actually kind of better than this one, but this one right here is the lightest, I think, of all the wide angle filters. So I'm just got this one. So you can get this for like $12. All right. And I also got this one here, the mount for your Wi-Fi. Before this thing didn't came out yet, so now I would recommend you to get this, okay? Because none of this accessories was available that time. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and show you what else I got. Something's gonna surprise you here, because I got this for what? I think this is $12. The reason why I like about this is the fact that you got extension, and you also have, it's kind of like the how you call this, the shorty, the GoPro shorty tripod, but this one is the cheap version, but hey, it's much better, I would say. And then you get this right here. You can actually get your phone, and the cool thing about this part here, I can just go ahead and take this off, and then I can just go ahead and put my Wi-Fi clip on, and I'm good to go. You see that? So I got this for almost both of these here, I would say, for $18 or maybe $19. Okay, I'm gonna put that over here. And then I got this one that I know I'm gonna use it for my that I can also use it for my action, my mobile, and also I can also use it for my pocket. And this guy right here, I can also use this on my mobile if I want the extension, and it's gonna give me the extension that I needed, you know. And I can also use it on my action if I want to, or whatever, you know. I can mount it, do the same thing. But this one right here is very interesting because it's like the mount. The reason why you can have this mount, because this light here, that you can actually mount it for your Osmo. There you go. And then you can have this here, and sorry guys, I'm just doing this really quick. I'm just doing a demonstration to you guys, and that's a quick setup. And then you can put the light just like that, and then you can put this one, and you can do adjustments on it. But anyway, I'm just showing you what I got. And yes, so I got me another Pocket, Osmo Pocket, and it's actually better now. And I actually sold mine when I had this. It was pristine condition also. With, I think it only comes with a Wi-Fi when I sold it with. So I sold it for around maybe around $280 or $290 to get this guy, because I said to myself, do I really need this now? But I actually doing it again. It's interesting, huh? So, but before I did not get this. So if you are gonna look for another one, you should definitely get this guy here. I would recommend, because this dial button, I did not get this. The only thing that I bought before was just this one. And the only thing that you got is the Wi-Fi module. I mean, it works and all, but you know, I think this one is actually better because you can actually more control. You can do more with your controlling, and also you get this Samsung SD card on there. See, you can just go ahead and take this off really quick, and you're good to go. And the good thing about that is the fact that when you're using this, you can actually, you know, you can make it go around this way. And then you can do quick moves, I think. Well, let me go back this way. Yeah, you can flip it around. And then you can, let me see. Well, I'm still kind of new on this one. I haven't really used this, but it's pretty good. And then you can actually move it up now. It's much quicker than just using the screen, I think. So it's just more precision, you know, because sometimes when you're out there, especially I live in Florida, it's really hot. You get sweat, you know, moving it like that with the screen sometimes is, or you're in a water environment or anything like that. So I would recommend this guy. But anyway, and then I got this cover, and it comes with, well, it's even better. So I actually look at this, and people having issue, but mine is pretty good condition. So some people have the glue issue here, but this is clean. But the good thing about this one is the fact that you can just put everything in here. You can just put everything in, and then you're good to go. You can just, also the only thing I also like about this is the fact that having having it around is just, you can, if you want to, you can hold it like that, or you can just hold it this way. For the other one, for this, where's the other one at? The one that came with, it did not come with that, so that's the only drawback. Oh, I'm sorry. See the difference with this one here? I'm gonna explain it to you guys. It's the DJI one, version of it is smaller, but like I said, it falls, so you cannot, you only got one way, just drop it this way. With this guy, you can, you know, you can pretty much drop it to anywhere. And you can just go around with that. And you have this mount here. It's not bad for the price that I got it for. So I got all that for the price of, I think you put this over here, for buying a brand new one. It's nothing wrong with it. Just like I said, if you are looking for one, just make sure that it's good condition, and you know, you look it up how much it's worth, and if you think it's worth it, then you go ahead and buy it, I would say. But if you know what you're talking about, if you know what it's all about the Osmo, then you should know that's pretty good camera. And then you get this wide angle lens. I would recommend it to have it if you are going to blog, or you're just gonna go walk around and see scenery. You're gonna see bigger stuff with this. And that's about it, man. And guess what? Oh, one more thing. See, I still get an extra stuff on my Rubomaster. This beads here. And for the price, you can get more. So I think if you bought a whole kit like this, they're selling it for like $400. Some of them go up to almost 500, like almost 450 or 60. I don't know, but to my opinion, just look around. You probably get a better deal. You can always put refresh on it. I think it's probably like $35. I'm not really too sure right now, but I think you can get up with the Osmo Pocket still. Yeah, so that's about it. So again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm just showing to you guys what I got. It's just very interesting what you can find now at this moment, you know. And this one right here just getting better and better. That's the reason why I got it again. Thank you for watching.